guys. Hey guys.
What?
We're doing a magic sequel. Like to see some magic?
Heck to the no, David Blaine. Heck no, you made fools of us last time.
Yeah, we've been out shopping all day. We just want to go to my apartment and relax.
Yeah. Okay?
What'd you buy?
I bought a white t-shirt, okay?
White t-shirt.
Big whoop.
Big whoop!
God, huh?
I'm sure you didn't buy a teddy bear.
No, I didn't buy
No, he didn't buy a t-shirt. He bought a white t-shirt.
What the heck? Would you stop doing that?
Stop it. That's like not nice. That's like so mean, David Blaine. Oh gosh.
God!
Golly. Not nice. I mean, not nice. Totally not nice. Golly.
Golly!
What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the
No, Barley's all stretched out. What do you have to do this to me, David Blaine?
That's not nice. Why you have to do that to him?
What? It's not nice.
Not nice.
Hey.
Chicken root beer.
Yeah?
Huh?
What else is brown?
Pretzels? Pretzels?
Take a sip.
Oh my gosh! Pretzels! That's like not nice, David Blaine! You're like so rude. Wait, Tomas! Tomas, where'd you go? Tomas! Put him down, that's not nice! Put him down, David Blaine! David Blaine, put him down!
Stop it!
David Blaine! Put him down!
To be continued.